loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do Miss Yeji's makeup from the Wannabe music video. That makeup look where she's in the white suit with the highlighter green. Oh my god, I love it so much. But anyways, hi, my name is Crystal. If you guys do not know who I am, I love makeup, I love K-pop, and I tend to fuse both in this channel. And today we're gonna do our best to try and recreate Miss Yeji's makeup look. So let's get right into it. I already have my face moisturized. It's with the Honest Beauty hydrogel cream, which I absolutely love. That's been the moisturizer that I've been going for so much lately. I placed an Amazon order to Whole Foods and I ordered so much dessert. For sure that person thought I was insane. I ordered 2 ice creams, mango ice cream bars. I ordered ice cream sandwiches. I ordered brownies. I went off. So since I have redness here from like this little cluster that's been forming of acne, I'm gonna cover that first before going in with my foundation. I feel like that provides the best coverage for my acne or my little discoloration. I'm using Laura Mercier Secret Camouflage Concealer. I'm mixing a little bit of both of the sides and I'm going with a tapping motion over the redness. And then I like to go in and soften the edges a little bit, but I do not touch the product that's right on like the head of the pimples or anything like that. Now I'm going to go into my favorite concealer. This is the Skinfood Salmon Color Corrector. I like to press that with my fingers right into the under eye area. This makes your face look automatically just more awake. Look how it eliminated all of that. This is probably my favorite makeup product ever. For my base, I'm going to use the Moonshot Micro Setting Fit Cushion Foundation. And I'm putting it over my eyelid to prime my lid and get rid of most of that redness. Her makeup doesn't look super defined, so we're just going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to add contour right here in the temples, coming right from the side of the eye into the temple and then right on the cheekbones. Now with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder, I'm going to put that on my eyelids and eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to not be sticky, not be slippery for when I put my brows on. I want to mattify that foundation that we set on our lid so that we can put on eyeshadow. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer. I'm going to define the first half of my brow and then just go filling in the sparse areas. Now I'm going to set my eyebrows with the NYX Brow Gel. This is the shade Brunette. And it just lightens the brows for me just a little bit. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette from ABH. I love this palette so much. It is such a really good versatile palette. You have warms, neutrals, and it's amazing for this makeup look. The first shade I'm going to go into is Burnt Orange. And I'm going to start pressing that all over the eyelid. And when it reaches the crease, I'm going to just give that a little bit of a blend. I'm going to take a clean blending brush so that the end can really get diffused, because this orange is not the focus color. So I want it to be blended in. It's just gonna be our base because I do see a little bit of rosiness. Oops. I see a little bit of rosiness and browns and a little bit of like that orange transition shade. That same color, I'm gonna bring it onto the outer corner of the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of red ochre and Venetian red. And I'm gonna place that color on the inner corner of my eye. A lot of the pictures are very edited, but you can see perfectly in the music video how there's like brown, pink in it, and it's so beautiful. Now with those 2 colors, I'm going to very lightly almost create this like wing shape, but I'm not touching the center. Okay, so I'm just mapping it out here, and then I'm going to blend the edges with the fluffy brush. It's the same fluffy brush that I used in the beginning for the crease color, the lid and the crease color, and I'm going to just pull it out. You can see in the music video that she has it very pulled out, so don't worry too much about it being perfect or looking great. Remember, we're not completely done yet. We're going to clean that up so it's going to look much sharper how hers is. We just want to make sure that this is blended out and this smokiness is blended out too. Now I'm going to lightly grab that pink and red mixture and I'm going to place it on the outer corner of the eye. Now going into red ochre only, we're going to place that color right in the very outer corner of the eye. I feel like this look looks a little more dramatic on me than it did on her. But remember, this is all stage makeup and I have a different eye shape. She's just so gorgeous. Oh my god. She's so beautiful. I love her. And she's so shy and so cute. I'm going to use Innisfree my eyeshadow glitter in number 12. And I'm going to just pop that right in the center with my finger. My camera got cut off on this entire part, but right now basically I'm just creating a wing and then I'm going to go over it with Cypress Umber. It's the dark brown eyeshadow from the Modern Renaissance palette that I've been using on my eyes. Then I'm going to get that brown and I'm going to blend it on top of the wing and a little bit into the red and pink eyeshadow to soften it so it doesn't look too harsh. And it's okay if it gets messy and it goes outside of the wing that you drew, because you're going to see in the next slide that we're going to clean the bottom with concealer. Now with a little bit of concealer, I'm going to carve out the bottom. So I'm carving and then blending out. I'm blending out this outside area especially so that it can blend into the rest of the skin right here. I want this part to be what's really harsh. With what's left on the brush, I'm going to blend it into that outer portion of the under eye and then bring it slightly under where the wing is. It's going to create a little bit of a shadow. And then I'm going in with my sponge to make sure that's blended and it's not too heavy on the under eyes. For my mascara, I'm using L'Oreal's Voluminous Original. I love this mascara so much. It's super black and it helps for the falsies to blend in to the lashes. Now I'm going to put some individual lashes because she obviously doesn't have any heavy lash or anything like that. It looks super natural and very flirty and very simple. So I'm going to use the Hava Beauty Luxe individual lashes and I'm going to concentrate them just on the outer portion of my eye. Her cheeks look very rosy, so I'm going to go into this color right here. And I'm going to concentrate it right here on this part of the cheek. This is the apple of the cheek. What I like to do is put the blush on really intensely and then go in with my foundation brush and go over it, and then it makes it look like you're blushing from within. It makes it look like it's your natural blush color. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm going to sculpt out the face a little bit with this powder product. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier concealer. It's such a great concealer for these little areas. This is not the type of concealer that you want to do that whole Instagram highlighting situation that you like highlight the whole thing. But this is really good for just getting smaller spots. This is the first tutorial that I put makeup on and I don't wear highlighter. That's beautiful. Now I'm going to use Freck to create little freckles here. Not freckles, more like beauty marks. In these area right here where I have these little bumps. My lip color is a mixture of Peripera Airy Ink Velvet in number 9 and Colorgram Thunderbolt Tint Lacquer in number 7. Okay, it looks like we're done. Ooh. Oh my god, it looks so cute. So this is the finished makeup look. The lips are so different for me. It's super cute. I hope you guys loved this video. If you guys have any other suggestions of K-pop idols that I should do their makeup, let me know in the comments below. And I'm gonna go make myself a brownie that I've been thinking about for the past couple hours, okay? Love you, bye.